हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, आज हम आ गए हैं 3D के स्ट्रेट लाइन के पुराने बोर्ड के बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस लेकर के। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड द वेक्टर फॉर्म एंड द कार्टेशियन फॉर्म ए स्ट्रेट लाइन पासिंग थ्रू 1 2 -4 बट परपेंडिकुलर टू दीज टू लाइन्स। क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर। सपोज द लाइन इज x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 and z plus z1 divided by c. Suppose this is the required line. This line perpendicular to this line, it means 3a, 16b, 7c equal to 0. You know, two lines are perpendicular, it means a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 must be 0. The same concept here with the second line, 3a, 8b, minus 5c equal to 0. Now how to solve ABC is a important point, but you know from your class 10th cross multiplication method. So we apply that method in the simple manner, proper format, you know from class 10. First a, minus 16 into minus 5, 80, 7, 8, 56, 3, 5, 15, 7, 3, 21, 8, 3, 24 and 48. Correct? So here a divided by 80 minus 24 minus b divided by 36 and c divided by 72. Minus and minus cancel out. These three numbers we can cancel out with 24. Hence 1, 12, cancel out with 12, 12 2, 12 3, 6. 2, 3, 6 are the DRs of this required line. Hence the answer is 2, 3, 6. We can substitute here. 2, 3 and 6 is the answer. Required line. So how we write the vector form? R equals to I 2j 4k plus lambda times 2i 3j and 6k. So this is called vector form and this one is the Cartesian form. Board 2012 question. Correct? Now one more question. Now one more question from the board Cbse 2012. Question is the same but in the vector form. Line passing through 2 minus 1 3 and perpendicular to these two lines. If perpendicular to these two lines, it means if we say b1 cross b2, then b1 cross b2 is I, j and k and 2 minus 2 1 1 2 2. b1 cross b2 is parallel to this line. Why? The given line, first and second, both these two lines perpendicular to the required line. That is, if we can calculate b1 cross b2 of these two, that will be parallel to the required line. Hence, b1 cross b2 is I minus j, you know from the vectors very easily, we can calculate, minus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 1 and 4 plus 2. What we are getting? Minus 6i minus 3j and plus 6k. Why we calculated b1 cross b2? This first line is parallel to b1. Second line is parallel to b2. If we calculate b1 cross b2, then the resultant is perpendicular to the plane containing these two. And what we require? The same thing. Hence, the required line is R equals to 0.2i minus j plus 3k and parallel to this vector 6i, 3j, 6k. Yes? Very easily we can compute if you have some concept of vectors. Next time again from board 2003 question. line passing through this point, but DRs are not given. But the condition is given, line joining these 2 points parallel to required line. It means the DRs will given by these two. So suppose this point is B and C, then vector BC is position vector of C minus position vector of B. So what is position vector of C given to you? This minus this 2i, this minus 2j, and this minus this k will be the vector BC. And a line parallel to vector BC, it means the required line is R equals to R1 plus lambda times vector BC. What is R1 given to you? 2i minus j plus k plus lambda times 2i minus 2j plus k. Indirectly, DRs are given to you, but you have to apply the formula. How we calculate DRs when the 2 points given to you. Yes, now one question from board 2014. You have to prove that these 2 lines intersect and then find the point of intersection. So suppose this line say equals to lambda and this one is say mu. Then the general point P equals to 3 lambda minus 1, 5 lambda minus 3 and 7 lambda minus 5 is the point P. Similarly, we can calculate another point on the second line, general point, mu plus 2, 3 mu plus 4 and 5 mu plus 6. These 2 points if coincide, then what we say, lines will intersect for some value of lambda and mu. So if these 2 are same, it means 3 lambda minus 1 equal to mu plus 2 and 5 lambda minus 3 equals to 3 mu plus 4, and if the solution of these 2 satisfy the third case, it means we'll have the common point. So first we solve these 2. 3 lambda minus mu equals to 3 and 5 lambda minus 3 mu equals to 7. Solve these 2 equations by any of the method we have completed in class 10th. 3 times if you multiply the first one, 9 lambda 3 mu equal to 9. Multiplying by 3, 3 and 3. Signs are same, we can subtract. What we are getting, minus 4 lambda equals to minus 2. Hence lambda equals to half. When lambda equals to half, we can substitute here 3 into half minus mu equals to 3, or mu equals to 3 by 2 minus 3, that is minus 3 by 2. Yes? Now when you know lambda and mu, and if it will satisfy by the third, then it is proved. So here put lambda half and mu 3 by 2 minus what we are getting, 2, 7 minus 10 minus 3, and here 2 minus 15 and 12 minus 3. Hence prove that they will intersect. Now what is the common point? Common point is we can substitute the values of lambda and mu. Here in any of the point you will get the required point of intersection. So substitute here for, by the way, P, 3 lambda minus 1, 5 lambda minus 3 and 7 lambda minus 5. So required point is 3 by 2 minus 1, that is half, 5 by 2 minus 3, that is minus half, minus 3 by 2. Good. Now, question of the day. That is the most important question of today's lecture. Question is in 2 parts. The point is given to you and a line is given to you. We have to calculate what is the foot of the perpendicular. It means the coordinate where these 2 lines intersect. And second part is calculate its image. Image means say alpha, beta, gamma, that these 2 distances are same and perpendicularly its image is alpha, beta, gamma. In 2011 compartment exam and in 2012. So the importance is here. First we convert this equation in Cartesian form. So what is the Cartesian form? X minus y minus and z minus. Divide by their drs. So drs very clear, 2, 3 and minus 1. And point is minus 1, 3 and 1 is a straight line. So the any general point is 2 lambda minus 1, 3 lambda plus 3 and z is minus lambda plus 1 is the say common point, by the way, P, M, P dash. So this is nothing but P dash. So now when we have P dash, we can calculate the drs of PP dash. So first we calculate drs of PP dash. Y2 minus y1, correct? So here 2 lambda minus 1 minus 5, that is 2 lambda minus 6. 3 lambda plus 3 minus 4, that is 3 lambda minus 1, and minus lambda minus 1. These are the drs of PP dash. Drs of the given line is with us 2, 3 and minus 1. And you know, when two lines are perpendicular, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equals to 0. So now apply that concept here. 2 lambda minus 6 into 2 plus 3 into 3 lambda minus 1 minus 1 minus lambda minus 1 equals to 0, since lines are perpendicular. Open the bracket. 4 lambda minus 12, 9 lambda minus 3, minus minus plus lambda and plus 1, 0. What we are getting? 14 lambda, 15, so it will be 14 lambda equals to 1. Now when lambda equal to 1, what is the value of P dash? Substitute here lambda value. So P dash will be, put lambda 1, so 1, put lambda 1, 6, put lambda 1, 0. Check it again. Put lambda 1, correct, correct and correct. So this is the foot of the perpendicular. That means half the portion of this question. Now the remaining part, we have to calculate alpha, beta, gamma. And you know, image is alpha, beta, gamma. Then this foot of the perpendicular, that is 1, 6, 0 is nothing but the midpoint. Hence, using the midpoint formula of class 10th, divide by 2 equals to 6, and gamma plus 2 divided by 2 is 0. So here alpha equals to 2 minus 5, beta equals to 12 minus 8, and gamma equals to 0, so minus 2. Answer of the image point is minus 3, 8, minus 2, and foot of the perpendicular 1, 6, 0. So in this way we have completed some good questions of straight line from previous year's board papers. करते रहिए, पढ़ते रहिए, आगे बढ़ते रहिए. 3D में बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स हैं और बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हैं, इसलिए बी कॉशियस. रोज का काम रोज करते जाइए. डेली वर्क शुड बी कंप्लीटेड डेली ऑन पर्पस. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय. मिलेंगे अगला टॉपिक लेकर के. टेक